belts, swak sa'yo to make the order ready, fight. Cosplay fresh, day and night. Mo man umobaling, same passion, same game. Same balay, cruise so tight, gear and grind. Buong night, may pilot tayo, let's go. Say, Barley Gear, harvest through cryo, create, never slow. This our game, let the world know. Shout out, bossy, ho ho, Master Zoro, level tayo. Let's go, say big Tiger, oh oh. Let's go, oh oh. Say Barley Gear, oh oh. Let's go, say big Tiger. Pa-level tayo, let's go. Whoa, say Barley Gear, go. Sword and shield, ready na. Great sword swings, tumamakana. Gagarabilis, double critical na. Bow, axe, hammer, bahala na. Let's go! Tumap, tuloy lang, XP bar, umakyat, loot check. Ready, drop na isang run, isa pa. Click, respawn, laban, ulit. Walang quit, walang limit, yo! Bossy, ho ho, Master Zoro. Hands up, ready now. High level tayo, let's go. Let's go. Grind all night, same crew. Let's go. On monsters, quest mode on. Say Balaliya. Learn the run. High level tayo, let's go. From no gear to legendary. Look at game like fast and true. Level up me and you. Measure twice, cut once. Paint na two. Armor build, swak sa'yo to make the order ready, fight. Cosplay fresh, day and night. Mo man umobaling, same passion, same game. Same balay, cruise so tight, gear and grind. Buong night, may pilot tayo, let's go. Say, Barley Gear, harvest through cryo, create, never slow. This our game, let the world know. Shout out, bossy, ho ho, Master Zoro, level tayo. Let's go, say big Tiger, oh oh. Let's go, oh oh. Say Barley Gear, oh oh. Let's go, say big level tayo. Let's go. Say Barley Gear.
Max pala. What's up? So, tara na. Intro na natin itong mga boys and girls. Ito, nakailang palit na pala ako. For the past few days. Grabe ka talaga. Love you. Ayan. So, welcome sa ating CVT. Ang ating parang na Origin Classic. Day 3 na ngayon, pero ngayon lang nag-live. May mga concerns lang about ayan, kukuha pa rin. So, ayan. Uy. North Peter. Ano lang kaya? Tulipang. So far, 4 lang per account ang magagawa natin. Uy, bakit ka nagbubukas dyan, boy? AFK itong mga to. Ito, natry ko lang to. May pitik na, no? Ganda ng ano, tunog ng ano. Trip. Busing. Ano ito? Ito pala. nangangabat. Maganda lang tunog ng ano crit. Kahit umaalog yung screen ng konti. Anong na ano, bubudol ka ng ano no, crit. It is a gandang sign. Decent na yung attack speed mo na pumipitik ng 170, 140. At least constant, hindi nga lang ganun kalakas pero pag yan, tumama, palok-palok up. Ano tayo, daily combat duration. Start from steps to mga boy. Ayun na, nasa page yan. Midnight Mind Way. Dito muna tayo habang nag-ano tayo. Papakalma na nga bagay-bagay natin boto. Ganitong build kasi usually ano no. Pansin ko kasi naglaro naman akong Origin, T-server, and then Dota. Pansin ko na pa ang madalas is 3 stats lang nalalagyan. Mamili na lang kayo kung ano dyan. Depende din sa ano. Wala pa ito mga to. Ayun, anyway. Usually naman to may dailies to. Dito sa Origin. One, ito, sa events. Lahat yan, as much as possible. Kung kaya mong tapusin, go mo. And then, ito. Monster Annihilation. Focus to sa drops. Basta maka-finish mo yung ano, events na daily. Doon sa kanina. So, pag na 100 reward coin, ano, activity points ka na, meron ka ng 7,200 na tawag dito, blessing count. So, this is for hunting or mobs, equipment, items, etc. So, yan. May naipon ako dalang araw yun. And then, times 3 yung, times 6 yung drop. Also, itong ano, daily combat duration is for your experience. So, base or job level. Times 2 yan. Recommended always, meron siyang recommended. Sold items of sold. Base na lang kayo dyan, depende sa level and size adjustment nyo. Unless you want to go beyond. And then, itong experience gain. Co-convert siya daily. So, para mag-stack up siya. For to rested until you finish it. So, para may continuation siya on dito. Continuation siya ng palevel mo. Mabilis lang to kapag meron kang speedy candy. Store lang yan. Puro sa store lang. Wala nagbebenta. CBD pa lang tayo guys, kaya kaya pa yan. Okay na yung pets. Yung gumagawa yung potion. Ayan, ito pa isa sa mga ano features ng Origin, yung guide, this cafe. may parang mastery ng uh, mastery ng master based sa ano, kill count mo. Ayan, for example, itong Mantis. Level 1 high monster icon. Allow monster to potential drop yung essence. It's either earth, mga elemental essence yan, and then yung profile ng monster. So, yung essence here, and collect those for aesthetic look. Especially this one. Medyo mahirap yung dala. Orc ba to? Yup, Orc baby. Sakat na iba yung tsura. Black siya. Ano yung appearance? Yes. And featured ng game for your aesthetic purpose. Also ito, mga pang chat yan. Ano ba? Card album, ito. Pwede mo siya deposit. May collection bonus siya per card na naka-deposit. So far, may amount deposit dito. Dito sa character nito mukhang wala pa. Sa ibang character. Most of which naman kaya i-farm yun, lalo na yung mga normal monsters. Ito. Hindi pa ano yung mga pouring quest. Titles lang. Achievement. Pet gallery, mga multiple na. Uy. Ito pala. Itong Suhi. Maganda pala yung ano, visual. Baphomet yung good for ano. 3 types. Sohi, skill cooldown modifier plus 12, damage reduction C. King Tiki, Kitten Oracle is attack percentage. Abyss Witch, magical attack percentage. Teacup Rabbit, water attack, good for mages, I think, sa sages na using water element. Dr. Owl, and then it's physical attack, Fleecy, Squidget, and then Child of Earth, defense plus 20, good for tanks. So kailangan natin 100 pet icon. Also boss tips, other boss Helheim, ito medyo daanin natin itong Helheim later, and then itong Nightmare. At the journal, activated na ba ito? Mukhang hindi pa. Hindi pa activated to. Ito, equipments. Ito yung mga possible equip so far. For now, is nasa level 70 na tayo. Suggested is ito mga to. How to obtain level and Nightmare Temple. May punta tayo dyan. So yung mga basic guys niya, mount given na yan. Uy, nag-level na tayo. Pets, yung kanina, feathers, ito yung mga pa-additional. Stats mo depends sa ano makuha mo feathers. You can always click the feather and then obtain. It's either yung day night up chest or feather shop. And then what else? Additional na damage. Meron na ba tayong bago? Tapos Divine Armament yan. Ito, builds. Builds. Nakafocus tayo ngayon sa Loki. Mostly crit naman siya. Yes po. Wait lang po. So, attack speed. Ayun. 10%. Ayan pala yung kanina. Kaya pala tataka ko. Biglang tumataas si attack speed, no? From 140 to 170 may effect siya. So, yun. So yung pinili ko. Ito kasi si Blade of Vasu Arya Deva. It's more ng crit Sonic Glow type. Kasi makikrit yung Sonic Glow mo. And then Green Tooth is more crit dead. Pero nakafocus siya sa Green Tooth, no? Appearance wala, ganun pa rin naman ang season sa kanon natin din. Kasi itong Light Wisdom sa Nightmare Temple din. Next wardrobe, it's more aesthetic ngayon since from Origins. So aesthetic na lang siya mostly kasi yan, pare-pareho na lang silang stat equipment equip. Ang habol mo na lang dito yung makukolect mo dito. And then yung mga additional very minimal aura effect. So up to 60. Ayan. May passion ranking naman pero yeah. Nag-upgrade na sila ng mga ano na. That's for wardrobe. Obviously, guild. Benefit ng guild, yan, meron dyan. Benefit yan. For, yan, for example, Zenny. Cards, ito yung ano, upgrading cards, insert. Nakafocus tayo pag nagka-card tayo. Dito tayo pupunta sa upgrade or awake mo nyo muna. For example yan. May specific card po, color for specific card. Yeah, for example, si Minoros, kailangan natin ng fragments by dismantling cards with the same color. Ito kanina, yung ginawa ko na yung green card. So, ayan, papansin yung green card C. Savage Baby. So, ang goal ko for this one, siguro ito na lang standard. Iyan na natin. Builds, andito na may mga usual builds. Ayan, dalawa lang naman yan. At ayun. Crit or ito. Hint type. Span. And double dagger siya. Since ano siya, Soul Destroyer build. Saka, ito bago to eh. Find weakness. Also, yung crit double ano din pala to. Pero mas ano siguro na mas stick pa rin ang default ng ano natin. Default critical Qatar. Connect. Ito pa ngayon ko lang feature na to. Spectate pala to. Gonna watch yung itsura ng spectate kayo ng ano, mga bagay-bagay. For example, Endless Towers wala. Nightmare madami dyan ngayon. Stream Challenge wala ngayon. Team Dungeon, Freya wala pa to. Pero mostly Night Temple. Makikita nyo paano i-play yung game. And ranking, mostly fashion, monsters, mount, achievement points, events, ayun, wala naman siyang iba. This one, community lang to, meron kay 200 gold. Ang current, tapos ito, screenshot ng album lang to, and then settings. So, ayan. Usual settings natin. And shops, ito pala yung shops natin ng gold coins. Ayan, ito yung mga way din sa gold. Yan berry. Wala pa akong paano ito makukuha. But wait na natin. Unusual, ano? Coin to. And then, good contribution eh. Build quest pa yan. Kailangan ipunin niya kung kailangan yung mga specific cards. Itong tawag dito, illusionary fragments, mostly MVPs, MVPs yan. Ito card fragments, dismantling cards. Pets, meron yan mini bosses and some MVPs. Lako ko na niltok sa main. And feathers yan, essentials yan. And that's for shop. Trading, ito yung ano natin, centralized exchange. Yan, bounty. Sell items and cards yan dito. Wala pa nagbibenta masyadong card. Using nga pala Zenny. Gold coin, Zenny, and coins. Ang ating currency. Auction yan. Usual auction naman yan. Rewards, lahat to. At least, please guys, tapusin nyo. Monthly pass, for only, libre kasi ngayon, I think 300. Ilan tong 14 USD. For 1 month ba to? Monthly pass. Okay, monthly pass. Growth. Yan. Rewards. Yeah, daily. Kailangan yung at least buy to finish this along with yung mga daily pass natin before. Skills. Andito si skills. Which is, yan. I think by default to, default ko lang to. There you go. And then to medyo nilaro ko lang. Medyo mataas yung ano, pero meron naman dito suggested. Medyo paangat na yung stay up natin.